Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make the best seafood butter rub ever. Guys, when I say this is so good, you have to give it a try. So, if you want to see how I make this butter rub, keep watching. Okay guys, I got my bowl here, and this right here is the butter that I'm going to be using. Now mind you, you can use whatever butter you want, butter, margarine, whatever you want to call it. It all is going to do the same thing, okay? So this right here is the first spice that I'm going in with, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and I'm just going to show you guys what I'm using before I go in with it, and after I show you, I'm just going to add it in here, but I'm not going to say how much I am adding in here because, again, like I always say, you guys don't like what I like. Okay, all I would want to say is just adjust the seasonings to your liking. Some may say it's too salty, some may say it's not enough salt. So again guys, add what you want to your butter rub for your seafood. Okay, so to balance out all of the spices that I'm going to be using, I'm going in with a half a teaspoon of sugar, and again that's going to even out the flavor of the spices. And I did grind up some fresh garlic, and I'm going in with that, 2 nice teaspoons of it, and I did let it drain a little bit because it did release a little juice, but you know, you want to just have your butter nice and right. But if you want to leave it in, leave it in. So I went in with the Old Bay seasoning, so a little bit of cayenne pepper, and I added in a little bit of parsley, just a little. You guys saw how much, but again, add what you want. So I just gave this a good mix, and then I'm gonna let it sit a little bit before I put this on my seafood. I do have that video coming up for you guys as well. I made a Dungeness crab seafood boil, and guys, when I say this butter rub took my seafood to a whole other level, it did just that. So stay tuned for that video coming up after this. So here it is. Like I said, it is resting, but yeah, so that's it for this video, showing you guys how I made my butter rub. If you guys enjoyed this video, give my video a thumbs up, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.